Welcome to Priya Arts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell icon for notifications.
Cover frame design, corner border design, learn blue color combination frame design, flower border design. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Corner flower frame design, red color flower border design, orange and red color combination flower border design, green color ribbon border design, orange color corner frame design. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the bell icon for notification.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing,